How to log into Amazon Chase credit card. Hey everybody, if you would like to log in into Amazon Chase credit card account, you will need to visit the Chase website or the Chase mobile application. So right now you can see I have already accessed chase.com. You can also head over and open any of your browser and directly type in chase.com. And you can just go ahead and look out for a login option at the top right corner, tap on sign in. And from there you can just go ahead and once you are there, like this, you would just go ahead and look out for the sign in or login button, usually in the top right corner, and you will be finding this login page on your main screen. Otherwise, you can use the issuer Amazon credit card website as well. You can directly search for Chase into Amazon, Chase Amazon Visa card. And once you do, you will be finding this particular link that will also directly take you to this page where you can find a sign in option within the page. So you may just go ahead and look out for the sign in option here. It will directly show you here in the section. You can just go ahead and type in your username and your password. After that, you can just go ahead and sign in, tap on sign in. And once you have entered your credentials, that will help you access your account. You can also log in into Amazon account and navigate to your Amazon card page to manage your account, and but you will be still redirected to Chase website once you do so. And that is it. So you may follow up this method, log into Amazon Chase credit card, and you can just go ahead and view your balance, pay bills, and access transactions directly on Amazon.com. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below, and we will be seeing you in another one.